I'm Eileen.
Hi, I'm Sherry. I have 4 food allergies. Our goal is to provide delicious meal ideas your whole family will enjoy. Today, we're making pizza sauce.
The ingredients are all fresh. I'm going to be making a homemade tomato sauce. The ingredients are extra virgin olive oil, onions, garlic, celery, carrots, herbs, crushed tomatoes, tomato paste, salt, and pepper. I'm caramelizing the onions in a bit of extra virgin olive oil. Next, I'm adding the carrots, celery, I'm going to let that simmer for about 3 minutes. Now I'm adding the garlic. I'm going to let that simmer another 2 or 3 minutes. Now I'm adding some parsley and a sprig of rosemary and a sprig of thyme. Now I'm adding the tomato paste. Along with 1 tablespoon of the paste. These are actually crushed tomatoes. Then I'll let this simmer for 10 minutes. If you noticed, I added vegetables to this homemade tomato sauce. There were carrots, celery, caramelized onions, and garlic. The reason why there are so many vegetables is because you want those caramelized sweet notes in this sauce. In the meat pizza, you have pepperoni, you have sausage. You get those caramelized notes because of those ingredients. I'm using vegetables to recreate those caramelized notes. Sherry, would you like to taste my sauce?
Thank you. Welcome. Oh, wow, it smells delicious.
Let me try some too.
Wow. Delicious.
Good, isn't it?
Thank you for watching our video.
We'll see you next time.
Check it out, yo. Check it out, yo.